my 7 days road trip adventure to the east coast of Malaysia, driving over 4,000 kilometers takes me to 14 beaches, more or less beach hopping. The Insta360 X5 action camera I used for this trip will test its durability and stability under extreme humidity and high temperature, as well as the unpredictable weather. This video only showcases the 360 degrees and InstaFrame camera modes. There is another video showcasing other camera modes. I am not too bothered with the video resolution or frame rate. A 4K and 60 frames per second will be sufficient for video posting. However, if you intend to shoot cinematic video or for home video or viewing it on a large TV screen, then you might consider higher resolution and frame rate. This camera is capable of taking a 11K resolution and highest rate of 240 frames per second. I will not be narrating the settings, however the settings are displayed throughout the video. You will get to see the differences when I switch the setting for comparison and what to expect. After a few days of using this camera, I began to get the grip on how to use it. It wasn't easy. The camera has so many modes and functions. Maneuvering these modes and functions is troublesome since the camera screen is tiny. It would be awesome if I can talk to the camera and let it make the decision. Why not come up with an intelligent camera instead? Please support my channel, like, comment, share and subscribe so that I can keep making more videos like this. Here are some tips for a beginner like me. I use a premium lens guard, however I find that on a humid environment poses a disadvantage. It creates a bit of hazy video, especially in the late night or early morning shooting. This could probably be that it is not airtight. The second tip is to be extra careful with high temperature. The camera gets extremely hot. However, I noticed it did not shut down. Unlike my handphone camera, when it gets too hot, it will disable the camera. The third tip is, if you plan to take time lapse, you should consider the 2800 mAh battery instead of 2400 mAh battery. The 2400 mAh lasts only about 100 minutes. While the 2800 lasts about 230 minutes. The fourth tip is, while filming time-lapse, use a longer and stable tripod. I use a 5.5 feet tripod. A longer tripod gives a better 360-degree scenario. However, at the beach, due to the constant high wind, a longer tripod should have a stable base. This is to prevent it from falling. Another tip is, if you are a solo traveler like me, it is difficult to stick to the storyboard due to the insufficient time to do any retake. Plan ahead.